In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can short on trading 212. And this is actually very simple. And the first step, what you have to do is have to change the investment account to the CFD account. And how to do it is just to click on the top left from invest account to the CFD account right here. And what we have to do next is, for this example, I'm just gonna select the demo account because I don't have my money in the CFD account. So we click on switch to practice right here. Now, if you wanna open a short position, we can easily do this. For example, we can do this on NVIDIA. So we just click on NVIDIA and then we click on sell. So sell is basically short. And then obviously we can type in here how much money we want to put in, and then we can place the order. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.